they're fine. I'm just gonna check the eggies just now more. No, not yet. Oh, no, not yet. And there's Mama. And my new chick, she's doing good, but I'm trying to train her. Wow. Well, that's not going well. How many does any eggs in here? Nope, not yet. And the food looks good. Yep. And let's see how my toes doing. Ow! Hi! How are you? Don't bite me. Yep, she's doing well. And sassy, aren't ya? Yep, she's doing fine. I think I'm going to, feed her. And fish. Yeah. This is what the fish are eating. Just fish flakes. And this is my tofu. This is what it looks like. Come on. There we go. Yep. Let me just have a little bit more. Yeah. Okay. Yep. They're doing fine. Wow. Okay. Do you want to push on my finger? Nope. Maybe because I have my phone and they do not know what it is. Huh. And her name is Early Star because she got early. Yep. Yeah, I need to come into my Avery more often. Okay. Trying to be very fast. Okay. And that's the question.